I opened the door, and it was fast. It was, are you Michael Dippolito? And I kind of like was in the doorway moving around because I didn't know if they were going to grab me or what was going to happen. And it wasn't like I was going to run, but I definitely wasn't leaning into it, you know, so I was hesitating. And I guess they looked at me because they were wondering, like, if I'm in shock. I don't know what they're wondering, but I obviously looked like I was in shock or something. And that's when the guy blurted out, "Listen, you have to come with us. Your wife's going to have you killed today."
So what happened?
Well, I stood there and I kind of looked around, and I see a bunch of cameras in the bushes or wherever, and I just kind of said, "What the hell is it?" Like, I couldn't figure out what was going on. So, and they stood there with me. "You got to come with us. You got to come with us." And I asked the guy, I said, "Can I at least put a shirt on?" I was standing. I don't know if I had a shirt on or didn't. He says, "All right, come on." And then I put a shirt on, and they threw me in one of the cars, and we started driving to the Boynton Beach Police Department.
Your Honor, may I approach witness?
Yes.
I've showed the exhibit to defense counsel. Mr. Dippolito, I'm showing you what is marked as State's Exhibit 17 for identification purposes only. Do you recognize this?
Yeah, that's the note I just described.
Okay. What did you do with that note? Do you remember?
Yeah, my wife was with me, and I said to her, I said, "Isn't this great?" I said, "Every time you're with me or something crazy happens." So I told her about the note.
Okay. Did you give that note to anyone?
Well, went home, and I called the Boynton Beach Police on it. I called the police department to tell them I got a note on the car, and yeah, and they came to the house.
Okay.
You know, every time I walk up to the vehicle, I'm scared, you know. I'm waiting to go outside and have something happen to me now. I felt that it'd be better if someone just did something to me instead of, torturing me. So, yeah. Yeah, like I said, I'm running through my mind. Who would put this on my car? Who would put this on my car? This is after the other incidents, and nothing's making sense. Nothing's making sense. And like I said, I'm just all I wanted to do was get off probation, and it turned into this. Every other week, an incident, and yeah, I was upset. Like I said, honestly, I wanted someone to rather just kill me. To do this every other day. And here we are, where I should have been dead, I guess, that day. So under those assumptions and knowing now that, let's put it this way, I felt pretty confident in everything that's been happening to me since I met my wife made sense now, more than anything.
Did you ever try out for a reality show?
No.
Did you ever have aspirations to be on a reality show?
No.
Did you ever speak to a producer about an idea you had for a reality show?
No.
Did you ever talk to anyone at the Boynton Beach Police Department about having a reality show?
No.
Did you ever write a script for a reality show?
No.
Did you ever act out any scenarios with the defendant for a reality show?
No.
Have you been paid any money from any media source about this case or about your story?
No.
Have you been paid any money for any TV show or any reality show from your involvement in this case?
No.
Have you had even conversations with anyone about your involvement in this case?
People call off the hook. I just don't talk to them. Maybe once I might have said, "Yeah, I can't talk to you." They catch you off guard, or people keep banging on my door. I had a guy bang on the door once, and like a dummy, opened it, and it's a camera, and I'm like, because I thought it was done, and the guy got me, that day, and but that happens a lot, yeah.